I want you to know that the only barrier that is standing in your way from you creating video content is you. That is it. So you want to make some videos at home? You're ready to create some video content from your house at home. What about your lighting? What about the camera? The most important part, you need a camera. Well, guess what? I'm going to be helping you out in this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I record my videos at home and how you can do it too. And I do them all from my iPhone. Where's my iPhone, by the way? Hold on. From my iPhone. So here we go. The first thing that I do when I'm ready to record my videos is I fix my hat, right? Seriously. The first thing that I do is that I sit down and I write out the different topics that I want to talk about, right? If I want to talk about content creation, do I want to talk about just digital marketing? Am I talking about a tool? And I just plan out maybe at least 3 to 4 different videos that I want to sit down and then I want to record for you all. I usually do that wearing the same outfit, or I'll add a sweater on top of it. I'll add a hat. I love my little hats. I'll put a hat on or some point so that I can just create that content for you all. I have just this background right here. This background is actually not real bricks. It's my hat on my head. A lot of people ask me about this background, and as you can see, if you look really closely, these bricks are not aligned. They're kind of off. And so what I did is during the whole C word situation, I'm not gonna say the name. During that whole situation, I really just was like, I need a backdrop. And you know, you didn't know if Amazon was going to be delivering. We didn't know what was going on. And I really just went to Walmart, to be honest with you. I went to Walmart and I purchased this wallpaper, and it has been amazing. People compliment me on it all the time. And to be honest with you, it's from Walmart. It was like $10, maybe it was 20. I don't know, somewhere around in there, but it was cheap, right? And I put it up. My husband actually put it up better than I did, but I wanted to add like a 3rd layer because I didn't want this wall to show, because this wall is really cream color ugly. So yeah, that's what we have up there, right? The next thing that I use that I swear by, that I love, is my tripod. Now this tripod is amazing because you can use this top part here and you can take it off. Let me show you guys. I can take it off here, and you guys don't worry about my little mess over there with the papers. I can unscrew this. So this is the way that I record all of my reels, all my YouTube videos. They're all done with this handy dandy thing here. And I just prop it up on the stand that I have here. That's really just my little stand that has all my junk in it. And I prop it up on this stand and I get to work, okay? We don't, no excuses. We get right to work. Next thing that I use is my handy dandy lapel mic, right? It doesn't have the little foamy thing on it anymore, but these are the little lapel mics that I actually sell in my store. You can go to the how-to store, bit.ly/the-how-to-store. In order to pick one of these up, you can plug it directly into your iPhone. It has the little extender cord that you just plug into your iPhone, and you can record your video content from there. All right, so as for my lighting, I use this box light here, and it's kind of blinding, so I apologize in advance if it's like blinding you all. It sits right in front of my desk, and then I turn my camera this way and I sit right in front of the light. So the light is I have 2 of them that came together. I just got them from Amazon. This is the box light. What's the name of this thing? FOMA. It's called FOMA. That might be upside down, but that is the name of the company. It's really cool because you can push it all the way up or all the way down depending on where you want it, and it just plugs into the wall. Super amazing. And I'm dropping it. So that is pretty much how I record all of my video content. Once again, the backdrop is just a backdrop that I got from Walmart. The tripod, or the backdrop, okay, so we'll say the backdrop was $20. It wasn't more than $20. So we'll say the backdrop was $20. The lights were $35. So we'll say about $40 for the lights. I then paid another $12, I'll say $15 for the handheld video recording thingamajig. You need to know that you don't necessarily need the bricks, the white bricks. If you want them, they're available at a Target or Walmart near you. And I'm sure they have some on Amazon as well. I want you to understand that video content in and of itself is the main way that you are going to get your brand in front of the most eyeballs. I mean, just to be 100% for you, with you, right? I built a whole community and a business utilizing social media, and I know that you can too. What I need you to start to do is to start to believe in yourself. I want you to believe that you actually have something of value to share with the world, which I know you already know this, but for some reason you're standing in your own way. You may be overthinking the content, you may be overanalyzing the things that you need to get started, and all of that is just fear-based. If we know anything from just the law of attraction, we attract to us what we believe, right? And so a man thinketh, so he is, right? And I'm gonna get a little bit in the Bible if you don't mind, right? The sooner you get started, to be honest with you, the more relaxed you'll be. You will start to lose all of the anxiety that comes along with pushing the go live button, like on Instagram or on Facebook. All of that, all of those things will melt away. The hardest thing to do is to start. And then once you start, you'll go, oh wow, it wasn't that bad. It's okay. If you continue to keep thinking to yourself over and over again, oh, people are gonna say things, what are they gonna think? Who's gonna judge me? What am I gonna say? I don't know what to say. I guarantee you, you know what to say.